Hello mga bay, have a good day to everybody and welcome back to my channel, Mr. Yudes, TAGAILAYAoutdoor. And today we are going to assemble the first time, the new one, our lawn mower. I did already to unbox these things, and we are going to assemble on how it works and to put everything in there, gas and oil. So here is our lawnmower, the Yardworks 174cc pulse lawnmower. And here is the parts, the bag, and those handles. And that black one, the small one, is the discharge for the grass. And here is our machine. Yep. And this thing is this is my first time, and hopefully this is gonna be good. And this is the guide. We're going to use the oil tin W30, and the gas is gonna be 87. It's gonna be ethanol or what? I don't know, but maybe, yeah. So we're going to assemble this thing. All right. And before anything else, before you start, don't forget to read the manual for everything's precaution here, guide, so you can be safe for the operation and also into the engine. Make sure that you can read this manual. Okay. Bolt the nuts. I think this is very easy to assemble. This is the throttle handle and the throttle. Right. This is the grass bag. So you open this thing and put the inside. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. But for now, we're not going to use this thing. This is the adjustment of the height. How about the height? You cut the grass. So this one. Alright. So first thing that I'm going to start this machine, make sure that you're going to put the designed oil for this machine. Here is the dipstick. Yeah. We're going to put the oil here. 10W30. Okay. Okay, this is good. This is a new engine, so I just pull the starter string many times just to circulate the oil into the engine, and then later on we can supply the gas to start the engine. All right. It's working, mga bay. So we're going to try to cut the grass. Right. Those are the grass that we are going to cut. So we are going to try our new lawnmower. Right. Alright. Jaon. Ayun. It works, mga bay. Here is our Yardworks lawnmower. Yeah, it's nice. So we have a lot of work. Okay, let's see what else in the bag. Oh, amazing. It's full. Yeah. So it's very nice if there is a bag. Less work or less of work. See that? Right. That is my ugangan, my father-in-law, and he tried also how to use the lawnmower. Yard works is good, nice, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, mga bay. Have safe everyone. Bye bye.